Hello pleasant viewers, this is Vera of JDVP Learner in NHS Thesis 12. Today I'm going to show you the steps on how we're going to make an Ethernet cable. But first, what is Ethernet cable and its use? Ethernet cable, or also known as LAN cable, networking cable, is common cable used in computer networking. Ethernet cable serves as a node or a pathway between computers and other networking devices that transmit signals. So let's start. So these are the tools that we're going to need in this procedure. RJ45, crimp tool, scissors, LAN tester, UTP cable, and card stripper. Step 1. Using the wire stripper, cut and remove the insulator of the UTP cable. Step 2. Untwist and separate the copper wires and make the copper wire as straight as possible. Step 3. Arrange the color coding of the copper wire from the left to right based on what patch you are preparing, either patch T568A or T568B. But in my case, I'm only using the patch T568A for this straight-through cable procedure. Step 4. Cut the copper wire before inserting it inside of the RJ45 connector. Step 5. Insert the copper wire into the RJ45. Make sure the position of RJ45 is correct. Step 6. Using the crimp tool, crimp the RJ45 and make sure to press and lock the copper wire together with insulator. Just repeat the procedures in the other side. Step 7. Use the LAN tester to test your Ethernet